Nuclear engineer Kevin Clarno details how supercomputers at Oak Ridge enable engineers to operate nuclear plants more safely and effectively.
We're using some of the fastest computers in the world to create computer models of how are these reactors operating and what would happen if there were an accident, to understand exactly what's going to happen. Because we have almost 100 plants in the U.S. that are operating nuclear reactors, providing 20% of the electricity for the country. And they're operating safely, effectively, efficiently. There is no reason to take any risks with regard to safety. And so what we're able to do is we're able to create computer models that predict what is happening in the plant today and be able to say, well, what would happen if tomorrow something failed, some safety system failed? What would happen to the plant? Inside of these systems, you have very high radiation environment, very high temperatures, coolant flowing. And so you don't wind up having a whole lot of sensors and detectors to know exactly what is happening in every single location. There's no eyes that you're putting inside of these reactors as they're operating. And so through our simulation tools, we're able to give a clear picture of this is what is happening at every single location, every single millimeter inside of the plant. We're able to give them a perspective of this is what it looks like and this is what is really happening to a resolution they've never really had before. So understanding in very high detail what is happening, where is it happening, we can help the plants identify how can they operate the plants, how can they tweak the chemistry in the coolant, how can they adjust the way they're operating so that they're operating as safe, that's safer, that they can increase the power they produce without impacting the safety of the plants or the public at all.